Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Looker Studio data sources safely step by step clearly. Open Looker Studio and sign in to your account. Navigate to the Data Sources section from the main dashboard. Locate the data source you wish to transfer. Click on the data source to open its details page. Check for any connections or reports using the data source to ensure a smooth transfer. If needed, make a note of the datasets associated with the source. Export the data source by selecting the Export option in the top right corner. Choose the format for export, typically CSV or JSON, based on your requirements. Save the exported file to your computer in a secure location. Now, head over to the destination account where you want to transfer the data source. Sign in to that account and navigate to the Data Sources section. Click on the option to add a new data source. Select the appropriate method to import your previously exported file. Follow the prompts to upload your file. Ensure that all the data fields align correctly with the new data source setup. Once uploaded, review the configurations to ensure they meet your needs. Save the new data source and check for any connection issues. If everything looks good, test the data source by creating a simple report. Verify that the transferred data is accurate and functioning properly. Finally, update any existing reports to use the new data source if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.